Welcome back to Red Button Journal, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back. Tonight, just gonna go on a little stroll. I've been so tired today because I was up late last night. So today, I didn't do a video yet. So I gotta go out on the road and just see what I can see. So, look what I see. Hello, Puss. Meow, meow. What is that? What is that? Huh? Okay, well, there's no dogs live in this neighborhood right here. Otherwise, they'd be running that puss right off the road. No doubt about it. So, well, let's see what's going on up here. I see some goats on the road. I was planning at one time about taking this path over to Little Chiswick, but Madge wanted to go with me on that walk, but she's watching YouTube. So she watches my videos too, or our videos, because she's in them too. But today, not so much. Well, here comes my buddy Carl. Well, go on, Carl.
What's up, boy?
Be careful, don't crash. Somebody ran out of gas for their stove, so he's taking it to them. And we got a goat tied here. Yeah, he's tied here. And then he got himself all wrapped up over here. So he can't go far, can you? No. You can't go very far at all, you poor thing. You poor little thing. I can't believe it's so calm tonight. And the sand fleas are not bothering me one bit. Oh, son, here we have another good farmer, because see, he keeps his goat tied. Yeah, that's the way you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to tie the goat. That's a good farmer. Yeah, you got a good master taking care of you, making sure you got a good place to eat all day long. Yeah, that's nice of him. Yeah, I like goats like you, because they don't get up in my yard and eat my pumpkin. Yeah, they'll eat your pumpkin if they get in your yard. I'll guarantee it. That's why we had to fortify. Now this one here, I don't know that he's tied. Well, he might be. You know, these could be Leroy's. Leroy's got a couple goats. There's one up there cleaning up around deadheads. Now, I don't know what kind of plants those are, but they're sure pretty. They're big. Big. But I don't know what they are. I'm going to walk down the road here. I see the man. I feel like I might be getting bit up a little bit by sand fleas. So I just have to keep going. Hopefully I don't get too much wind and all that kind of something. I see some cows out here. See, I don't know if you can see them. I might have to go too close to them for you to see them. There's some cows over there, and then I see the man. Well, now I lost track of him, but the man we buy the Callaloo from, I think I saw him down the road here. So, oh, he makes nice, good tender Callaloo. Oh, here's where I saw the smoke coming from earlier. Hello. Okay. Oh, it's a nice evening. You know what was nice about this walk this evening? Other than that mosquito trying to bite my hand. What's nice about it? It's a nice flat walk. So I don't have to go up hills and down hills. This is my kind of walk right here. Yes, sir. Here, let me take a gander over here at the cattle are lowing. I don't know if you can even see them. It's just pretty in here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. There's a few houses up in there. You can't even see them. Then there's this valley that just comes down through here. And it's really pretty. And if you go clear up to the top here, you can't quite see it yet. But if you take this slow slope right on up to the top here, you can see you got a nice clear view of the mangrove and the ocean. Oh, here's some mango. I can't take too many pictures of the fruits here because there you can see another one up in there. And there's a few, and then there's some ackee here too. But anyway, mango right there. I got to keep moving because otherwise I'll get all eaten up and the mosquitoes will have to carry me home. I won't have a lick of blood left. Okay. This is just a nice peaceful walk. Just a nice peaceful walk. Madge was going to come with me and do this walk one morning. And then, I don't know, I had a hard time getting out of bed. A lot of times I stay up late doing my video editing and getting it all set up to post the following day. So, but see, all these cows are tied up in here. See, if you look, I don't know, you maybe can't see, but they're all chained or whatever. So they just on a long enough rope. Hey! How you doing?
I'm all right.
Good. Can I take your picture? For YouTube? Okay.
I'm the Callaloo Man.
I know you're the Callaloo Man. I was talking about you as I was walking up here. I said, I thought I saw you a minute ago.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And this is Callaloo here, but that looks like that's ready to be replanted, or how's that go?
Cut them.
Yeah.
And so I'm going to spray them now.
Okay. So what do you get, 2 cuttings or 3?
Like Callaloo can cut up to 6 months.
6 months for one? Because your Callaloo's always so, the stalks are nice and tender. They're not tough or anything.
That's what everybody says.
Yeah. Is it the soil or is it a good farming techniques? Be honest.
Good farming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because what?
It based on you take care of them. Because if you don't water them often, they
Oh.
yeah, so you have to make sure them get the right amount of water.
Yeah. Because when I was talking to Madge, I said, you know, I want to walk over there one of these times to the Callaloo Man and take a look at his farm.
Yeah.
And she says, oh, he probably don't even have any Callaloo. They only get a couple cuttings off of him.
Oh, man, but guess what? Guess what catch me this week?
Yeah?
I got a worm.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you find a lot of worm come down.
Yeah?
Because me have to just cut them and throw them away.
Oh, because the worms were living on them.
Because the worm, so I spray, you know, we get rid of the worm.
Yeah, Maisie, or Madge, everybody calls her Madge, except me, I call her Maisie, but her, you know Madge. She gets a chemical called neem, N-E-E-M.
Yeah.
And that's what she sprays on. It's a natural chemical.
So by next week now, by Friday, I'm going to have a whole lot of Callaloo again.
Really? Just by Friday?
Yeah, just by Friday.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why I never come over there.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Now, what's that plant right behind you there? What do you call that?
This?
That one, no, that one right there, the tall one.
This one?
Yeah.
Sweet cassava.
Oh, that's sweet cassava.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sweet cassava.
Okay. Wow. You know, if the mosquitoes weren't biting me right now, I'd have you give me a tour, but I'm going to come over here one of these times and have you show me around if that's all right.
Yeah.
Show me the whole farm, because now is this next one over here? Is that yours too, or is that the next man?
One gone right up.
Yours just goes right up here.
Yes, go all the way up.
Because that looks like a bunch of bananas or something over there and planting maybe.
Them a banana over there. But me have banana as well too. And
Some up there. Okay.
have a whole lot of planting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll come back when the mosquitoes aren't biting me.
Yeah.
And I actually, one of these mornings, I want to walk up, you know, because you can see the ocean from right at the top there.
Yeah.
If you just walk up the path here. So I want to do that one of these days. And Madge wants to come with me, but she's watching TV, so she couldn't come tonight.
Yeah, see, maybe
Yeah.
my wife will watch TV.
She likes TV too, huh?
Yes, my wife and my daughter and one of her grandson.
Yeah. You know, she spends hours and hours in a hot kitchen, and in the evening, when it cools down, she likes to just sit and watch TV, you know. So, I don't mind that. All right, man. Well, these are going to be shaky pictures because I'm slapping mosquitoes on my legs. But bless up yourself. Much respect on your farming here.
That's a camera.
It's a camera, yeah. See, if you walk over here, you can see your face in there.
Oh, yeah.
See, you can see your face and I can see it back here. And then when I turn it around, you can see me.
Oh.
And then I can, that way if I'm showing pictures of myself,
Yeah.
I can see myself.
So this is a good camera.
It's a good one for doing this sort of thing where you go out and talk to people and then talk to yourself and talk to the people that are subscribing and viewing your channel, you know, on YouTube.
I understand.
Yeah. Yeah. So I like it. It's not great in the dark, but I've changed some settings so I can usually make the pictures look pretty good, you know.
Oh. And then this now can go on YouTube.
Yeah, I'll put this on YouTube.
Oh.
Yeah, so it'll probably post tomorrow sometime on YouTube. Yeah.
Some can just go watch YouTube.
Yeah, yeah. Watch Red Button Journal. The name is Red Button Journal. Just like a button on your shirt, but a red one.
Journal.
Red Button and then Journal. So it's 3 words. Red Button Journal.
Journal.
Yeah.
All right. Definitely I'll watch it.
Yeah, yeah. Check it out. Lately I've been trying to do a video every day. Yesterday we went to Stokes Hall to get the tire fixed. So we just filmed the whole thing, you know.
Yeah, this month. When you come here Friday,
Yeah.
you're going surprised to see what you're going to see here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you could just get 527-0410, and then you call me before you come.
Okay, okay.
527.
I don't know where we're going to be Friday because we have some errands to do, and Maisie's got a sick sister we got to go see and stuff. But if we're over here, we'll come over here. But you know, if it's not this time, it'll be the next one. Yeah, it'll be the next time. So, all right. Well, I got to go before the mosquitoes carry me home.
Yeah.
Now, who's got the cows tied out here?
I don't know this.
You don't know?
No, I don't know.
But I liked where they're tied because, you know, some people don't really tie them. Yeah. All right, man. It's good to see you.
Take care.
And I got your number on the recording.
Yeah.
But I'll turn it off so not everybody has to know your phone number.
Yeah?
I'll take that off of the video, you know.
I don't mind if they
Oh, you don't mind it? Okay.
I don't mind it.
If people want to call you and come by and get something.
Yeah, I don't mind it.
Yeah. Okay. I'll leave it on there then. Absolutely. All right.
Okay, then.
Have a good evening. Good talking to you.
A nice talking to you.
Yeah.
One evening when you come, you can get something off of the farm.
Huh?
One evening when you come, you will get something off of the farm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds good. And I'll probably bring Madge next time we come over here, you know.
All right.
Yeah, yeah. Because she was wanting to come, but she don't like to come out in the evening.
Yeah, just call me before you come.
Yeah, we will.
If you notice, I have to put some bamboos and some stick in between here because the goat kid them come through.
The kids can come through.
Yes, the kids
Oh
come
my
through
gosh.
and them come and eat up the
Yeah.
potato.
Oh yeah, the goats are.
Yeah, if you notice how
We had to put up.
if you notice how they heat up these, the potato.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We put up the hurricane or chain link on the one side, but then the other side we used something like this. But we had to put cement on the bottom so they didn't go crawl under.
Red button
Journal. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. All right, later, man. Woo, I should have came over earlier before the bugs came out. I could have got the full tour. Okay. I'll have to walk fast getting home because it's actually, you know, when you look, this looks flat. See how this looks flat going up here? But when you look this way, you can realize it's really sloped down. Because the top is about the same height as the hill you see from our house. So it slopes all the way down to below our house. So, well, that was neat that I ran into him. And I learned some things about Callaloo that even Madge didn't know. So that's good. That's very good. Hopefully I make a nice little video out of this. Oh, I hope these sand fleas don't. Sometimes they bite me up real good and I end up with little red marks all over my legs. So hopefully that doesn't happen this time. So turn this so you can see the other side. See this path goes right along the edge where it goes up into Breton Hill, and then a little farther down it goes up into Little Cheswick. So one of these times we'll walk over to Little Cheswick that way too and go up the slope over there. So I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Somebody has to tell me, or I'll have to Google it, figure it out. Oh boy. You can't go hungry in Jamaica because there's just something to eat everywhere. Everywhere. I don't know what that is either. Eh? Huh. Who can tell me what that is? Huh. Oh, that kind of looks like that one that somebody said is a hibiscus, but it may not be. I better watch out for that wasp. He's liable to try to bite me. There we go. Well, too bad I'm in such a rush. You know, I talked about getting an app on my phone to where I can take pictures of these different plants that I don't know what they are and look it up and tell about them. But I didn't get the app yet. I've got an old app I had a long time ago, but I don't think it's very good. So I kind of hate to spend the money on getting one that you have to pay for, but that's what you have to do to get a real good one, you know. But I just find it interesting just to know a name, know a little bit about it, where they grow, you know, what kind of conditions they prefer. One thing for sure, just about everything prefers Jamaica, because even people, because this tropical climate, oh my goodness. The mosquitoes and the sand fleas, they like it this time of day, but the rest of the day, they're not going to trouble you one bit. But this climate here, right now it's really humid, the air is heavy, but there's a nice, just a gentle breeze. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. It's just, you couldn't ask for a more beautiful place to spend your life, you know? The roads are clearing off now. People are going in for the night. Boy, it's really washed out here. The water's really washed that out. How you doing, young man? You enjoying the nice, cool evening?
Yeah, as always.
Yeah? The sand fleas eating you up any? Huh? Can you have your picture taken? Is that okay?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay. The sand fleas don't bother you much? Sand flies, whatever you call them? They love me.
Because you're white.
Exactly. They love that white meat. You know that's for true.
Yeah.
They really do. Something about it. They see me. Man, they can see me from a long way away.
Yeah, so does mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes, the mosquitoes bother you too?
Yeah, it bothers me.
They bother everybody. Mosquitoes are nothing but trouble.
Yeah, always.
Yeah. But now where I grew up, they had mosquitoes too, so I'm more used to that. But these sand flies, whoo-wee, they love the flavor on my ankles. Hey!
What's up, bro?
I can't stand here. I got to keep walking because of the sand flies.
Are you good?
Or as I call them, sand fleas.
You good, man?
But I understand they're really sand flies, but I call them sand fleas.
Bye. Guys.
Huh?
We're challenged.
Yeah.
We're challenged name. We're challenged name.
Your channel name.
Ray Charles.
Guys, subscribe to Rachel's channel.
Oh, okay.
Guys, subscribe to A channel.
Okay.
And inside. Guys, subscribe to Red channel.
And Red Button Journal. Be there or be square. All right. Viewers and subscribers, we've had a fun little outing tonight. We're nearly home. Nearly home. Be sure and like, share. Love to read your comments. And subscribe. We're really getting a lot of new subscribers. Hit the bell notification to see more adventures in rural St. Thomas with Red Button Journal. Big up yourself.